Welcome to Bonds News, your global window into current affairs. In New Zealand, thousands of demonstrators rallied in support of Maori rights, protesting against a bill they believe undermines Indigenous rights. Large groups gathered across the country, with a significant crowd assembling outside Wellington's Parliament building, waving Maori sovereignty flags. Thousands rally across New Zealand for Maori rights. Protests erupt in New Zealand against bill threatening Indigenous rights. Former President Donald Trump has been convicted of 34 felony charges, marking the first time a US president has faced such a conviction. This historic verdict prompts discussions on its impact on the upcoming election and the broader political scenario. Following the death of President Ebrahim Raisi, who was once seen as a possible successor to Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, Iran started registration of candidates for an early election in June. Senegal's President Bassirou Diomaye Faye embarks on his inaugural trip to Mali and Burkina Faso, aiming to enhance bilateral relations amid both countries' exit from ECOWAS. With Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger currently under military governance, the visit underscores efforts to foster regional stability and cooperation. The Israeli Defense Forces, IDF, have assumed operational command over the Gaza-Egypt border and have reportedly uncovered around 20 tunnels crossing the border. This move signifies Israel's heightened security measures in the region and its efforts to prevent illicit activities and potential security threats along the border. Boeing executives engage in talks with the FAA regarding aircraft safety and quality concerns amid production slowdowns of the 737-9 MAX models. Recent incidents, such as the mid-flight detachment of a door panel on an Alaska Airlines flight in January, underscore the challenges faced by the manufacturer. In the UAE, a recycling app called Reloop is revolutionizing food waste management by converting it into compost. Operating primarily in Dubai, it collects food waste from hotel kitchens and repurposes it into compost, addressing the country's agricultural challenges posed by sandy soils. Increased disruptions to cargo shipments in the Red Sea are causing shippers to reroute their vessels, resulting in longer journeys and higher carbon emissions. Attacks on ships in the region have surged, prompting concerns over environmental impacts from extended maritime routes. Brazilian officials are cautioning about the threat of waterborne illnesses as residents in Rio Grande do Sul, the country's southernmost state, begin cleanup efforts following devastating floods that claimed the lives of at least 169 individuals. In southwestern Iceland, lava flow persists from a volcano, albeit at a notably reduced intensity compared to its eruption the previous day. Despite ongoing spouts, the volcanic activity has noticeably subdued since its initial outburst. Thank you for choosing BGN channel. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.